Welcome to this video guide on accessing the Kimi K3 API for free. You will learn how to leverage this high-speed, zero-cost model for your own applications. First, open your web browser and log into the platform. Navigate to the model library, locate the Moonshot section, and select Moonshot Kimi K3 to get started. Next, verify your costs. Look at the right sidebar and scroll down to Pricing Limits. Ensure the input and output token costs are set to $0. Review your model's performance metrics by scrolling to the Recent Activity section. Here, you can confirm latency, throughput, and ensure 100% uptime status. To proceed, navigate to your developer settings. Look at the left menu, click your profile icon, open the drop-down settings menu, and select API keys. Now, generate your unique API key. Locate the dashboard. Click Create API Key, name your key if required, and submit the form. Once the key is generated, wait for the pop-up. Copy the secret string to your clipboard and paste it into a secure document for later use. To test your API responses, return to the top navigation bar and click on the Model section to open the interactive chat interface. In the chat window, look at the top right to find the Active Model indicator. Click on the current model to reveal the drop-down list of options. When selecting your tier, scan the list carefully. Ignore the standard K3 options and specifically choose Kimi K3 Free to avoid any billing charges. Now let's find your sample code. Return to the model page, scroll down to the Developer Integration section, and locate the raw sample code blocks. Choose your preferred SDK format from the options provided. Click Python SDK to display the relevant code snippet, then copy it. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to Google Colab. Create a blank notebook, click on an empty code cell, and paste the SDK snippet you just copied. Finally, inject your API key into the code. Locate the authentication variable, replace the placeholder text with your secret key, and click Run Cell. Congratulations, your deployment is successful. You are now ready to enjoy high-speed inference with zero API costs.